going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to get started on prepping this thing for paint. So I decided that I'm going to actually pressure wash it first because the paint that's originally on this I did like a year and a half ago, and it was like a single stage acrylic paint or whatever, so pretty cheap eBay paint, and I have a feeling that if I hit it with a pressure washer I might be able to get most of it off, which will save me a lot of time in sanding. You guys have seen this thing. It's got, you know, the paint's kind of cracking and stuff. Yeah, look at this. Like, that's all gonna probably come off with the pressure washer. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna hit it, and if we can get most of the paint off, I'll be stoked. And then next I'll start sanding. So let's pull this baby out. Okay, so this also may or may not work at all. I have no idea. It didn't work. I don't know. It really didn't work. I thought it was gonna be kind of tough, but I thought, oh, like it'll, I don't know. I don't know what I thought. People made me think that it was gonna work. Maybe it's this pressure washer. I mean, it's got 7 horsepower. That's pretty much as this thing has. I tried to hit it pretty hard right here. Pretty much did nothing. I got a couple of specks off right there. Right there. Pretty much did nothing anywhere else. I got some off the wing. This side that I thought was already, you know, peeling, I thought it'd be easier. Let me get better lighting. Yeah, pretty much did nothing. So, oh yeah, and this fender that I thought paint's already peeling, all I did was expose all the rust that was already there. Dang. Okay, so we're gonna scratch the idea of pressure washing the car because it looks like I'm just gonna have to buy like a DA sander thing or whatever and actually sand it. So whatever, that'll be fun. Oh yeah, also, I picked up some new wheels for the S13. Just some burners I just picked up for pretty cheap. They're 16s, they got a bit of a lip to them. This one's got some damage, they all hold air. They came with tires, so can't really beat it for the price I got them for. I'm gonna pressure wash these two because they're obviously pretty dirty. I'll probably throw them out in the grass right here and make a little fun cinematic video for it. Let's do it. Honestly, I feel like I overestimated how good a pressure washer works, because Well, these actually came out really good in camera, but well, this one actually came out a lot better than the other really dirty one. This one was already pretty clean, so it's all shiny. It looks like the finish on this is like peeled off a little bit, so it's not shiny. This was the other already clean one, and then this one was super dirty, and it's still pretty dirty. You could still see like all the, I don't know, brake dust that's like gummed up on there. You know, I think they're good enough to drift on. So I think we're just gonna send it like that, boys. Now that the car dried up a little bit, you could see the lines. I don't know if you guys can see it from this angle, maybe. Look, you can see all the lines where I sprayed with the pressure washer. It didn't take the paint off, but it definitely left a nice mark. Now it looks even stupider. Look who's here with Dutch Bros after a long day of pressure washing my car terribly. I love you. So good. Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Goodbye.